Hey guys, so not to cause too much confusion, but you are getting ready to watch my June 2017 grocery haul, and here we are, August 2017. In the grocery haul, I am very pregnant with little Benjamin David, and then here he is. Now I'm wearing him. So last time I did this, I published my freezer cooking videos that I did for May, and enough people were confused that it made me think, you know what, I better pop in almost in real time and let you guys know what's happening. If you can't tell, I videoed several videos during the last stages of my pregnancy with Benjamin during May and June, and maybe even a little bit July. No, I don't think I filmed July because I had him July 11th. Okay, so during May and June I filmed some grocery shopping hauls and large family freezer cooking videos. I couldn't get them up in time before I had the baby, and then obviously after I had the baby for several weeks I was resting with my baby. So I still want to honor the time that I took to make those videos. I'm still getting them out now. You can still see what we got. It wasn't too long ago. In July, my husband picked up the grocery hauls and did the grocery shopping, etc. So I don't have any footage from grocery shopping in July. And that's that. Now that I haven't confused you too terribly much, here is my June 2017 large family grocery haul from Walmart, where I got a ton of stuff because I could not think, and more stuff just equals we'll have enough food and I wouldn't have to worry. And with this haul, I did several additional freezer cooking days, yes, at the end stages of pregnancy, but what it was is it was the equivalent of one day of freezer cooking. It just took me like 4 half days to get it done, and those videos will be coming up very soon. Yes, they will. But this grocery haul goes along with those meals that you will see shortly following. So I hope you enjoy this grocery haul. So we are out picking up our big once a month grocery haul. This one is going to be super mega, but Chinese buffet first because we have our priorities in order. We are here waiting for our grocery pickup. It's just Travis and I today because my order kept growing and growing. I also, besides all our groceries, I got all of our pantry items and all of our household items and other things we need. I'll show them to you. So it's a huge order, and I still don't feel like I got enough. I know it's pregnancy brain. I just know I've spent way more than I spent last month, so it has to be enough, and that's where we are right now with it. We're waiting for them to, so I keep looking, waiting for them to bring out truckloads and truckloads of supplies. Okay guys, so we made it back. I didn't film any of the big tower carts or them loading the van this time. They know me now after 2 trips there picking up these hauls, and it was 7 of those big stacked carts of the blue totes full. They just brought them out one at a time and worked together and unloaded it, and it went real well. I like it whenever they have them all lined up because I can get an obnoxious picture, but they're getting more organized, so that's good. So I'm going to give you a brief overview of the table down here going all the way down. So I think today I'm just going to jump in and then I'll go over my plans. As of the filming of this video, big stomach picture, I am 35 weeks. So I will say real quick, this haul, I was going over it with Travis, this everything I'm gonna make with all of this big boat full of stuff here is gonna really be like 5 to 6 weeks worth. Baby Benjamin will come at some point during that time, and also at some point during that time I'll send Travis back to the store for like a $100 to $200 fill-in haul. You know, there's not there's definitely not like 5 to 6 weeks of fruits and veggies here or milk, but pretty much everything else, like meat-wise, meal-wise, definitely dinner-wise, I'm going to do 2 freezer cooking days this week, and those are going to go well, and I'm going to make well over 40 meals. I've got a whole lot listed out that I want to do. They're completely different than the meals I did last month, and so I'm just really getting us stocked up. So hopefully I can spend a good part of July just holding the new baby and taking long naps and all those priorities. So, show you what we got here. So yeah, big tower. I got 6 of these cases of yogurt and I got 15 dozen eggs. The eggs, they're still comparable with Aldi's prices. This was $2.06 for this box of 5 dozen here. And so that breaks down to be in like the 40 cent per dozen range, which is super. And anyway, I didn't have to go to the store and get them. So again, in my freezer cooking days, a lot of baking, a lot of breakfast burritos. I'm going to do eggs, cheese, and ham breakfast burritos this time. So anyway, I know a bunch of these eggs are going to be used in my cooking coming up. And then, so here, sanity saving, I just bought more bags of cereal for the mornings when I just can't think, or if I want cereal in the middle of the night, or whenever we need it in life. You can tell by my last couple hauls that I've shared, I've just been getting some cereal right now. I got 12 gallons of milk because that's the most milk it'll let me buy. I could have actually got a different kind of milk and got several more gallons, but I thought, again, this will be fine for now. I'll send Travis out for a small fill-in. Just 2 things of almond milk because I'm the only one who drinks it. Amelia drinks it a little. And then sometimes she tells me she doesn't like it at all, so you never know. I got these little pre-made Jell-O cups. And I got 4 packs of pudding. If we go to the lake one day, we were supposed to go to the lake today, but it just got too rainy, and I decided, well, it's going to be grocery pickup day. But if we go to the lake one day, you know, I can just, along with our frozen peanut butter and jelly sandwiches and a bag of apples, I could bring a case of pudding in there. Just no-brainer, helping this mama think right now. 4 different huge packs of cheese, 3 blended, 1 mozzarella, 3 tubs of ricotta. You'll see we're going to do several big pans of stuffed shells. That'll be a little different. 2 things of sour cream. I saw hummus when I did my order and thought, I want hummus. 2 packs of hummus. We actually got 5 packs of graham crackers. 1 pack is currently being devoured. When I am pregnant, and especially after I have the baby, so this will be something, I'm sure Travis will have to get more. I love graham crackers and milk and peanut butter. So 2 packs of animal crackers. Again, no-brainer mom snacks right now. And I got 4 cans of biscuits, 4 cans of cinnamon rolls. I have 1 chicken and dumpling in the slow cooker recipe I was going to work with and just used canned biscuits. I don't feel like standing and rolling out biscuits right now. So that's why I got that. Over here, this is the ham that I got. Let's see, it ended up being $1.48 a pound, $13 ham. So this I'm going to cut up. I've got several recipes with hash browns this go round. I'm basically doing a ham and hash brown freezer meals. So I'm going to cut this up for a couple different things. I got 25 pounds, of hamburger. And looks like another 30 pounds of chicken. I got 4 packs of kielbasa because kielbasa is needed in some of the recipes I'm going to do. I even got 2 packs of bacon. That will probably just be 2 special breakfasts we do. I even got 2 packs of hot dogs. I don't always do hot dogs, but they're just helpful for me right now. I also got the kids some whole wheat hot dog buns. Some pepperonis. Actually, tonight I'm going to do those pizza boats. I'm going to try to film a separate video of those. Those are just really fun and easy, and again, helpful for mamas. So, several boxes of the jumbo shells. Several boxes. I got 5 total, I believe, of the bow tie noodles, because I know I've got several dishes with those. Green beans. Let's see here. Yeah, so I got 8 of these cans of green beans. We have, okay, so here's where you can go either way. I can make homemade cream of chicken soup, and I can make homemade cream of mushroom soup, but I do not feel like it. I'm sorry. My videos for the next couple weeks are just going to be me telling you how I don't feel like doing things. So anyway, I got 5 cans of cream of mushroom and 5 cans of cream of chicken. They're going in different recipes. If you would like to know how to do them homemade, whenever I do my freezer meals, I'll also link you to my post where I share how to make them homemade. And, you know, my hips just, I don't want to stand much right now. One of the things with the Walmart grocery pickup is that if they run out of a certain brand, they'll substitute it usually. So I got some Campbell's cream of mushroom, which is a few cents more than the Great Value cream of mushroom. They decided it needed substituting. 2 cans of crunchy peanut butter. That was probably the only thing that was confusing for me today, was that with the smooth peanut butter, because you know we go through a lot, I had ordered them in these large twin packs and they didn't have it, so they didn't substitute any peanut butter. And so I'm like, well, that stinks because I don't have my smooth peanut butter I need now. So tomorrow, when Travis takes Jaden to work, I have a small list. It's like 3 things that did not work out in our grocery pickup today, and Travis will have to take one for the team and run into the store and pick up those few things. One of them is 4 big containers of peanut butter. Okay, and then because I'm also going to be doing some fried rice, I got soy sauce, I got sesame seed oil, 2 things of Parmesan or shaky cheese, 4 big watermelons that match my belly, 2 bags of frozen blueberries, because last month, you know, I just love doing different breads with blueberries. 1 pack didn't seem like enough, so I got 2. Also, you'll see when I do my freezer meal days, I do have a couple different things like I've mentioned with the potatoes, with the tater tots. And so 3 big bags of tater tots, and then I got 3 bags of these hash browns that already has onions and peppers in it. And so that's a combination of some slow cooker meals and freezer meals. And I want to do another thing with the ham over there. I'm going to do a couple breakfast casseroles, and the main ingredients are these southern style potatoes and eggs and ham and cheese, and those would be nice to have on hand. So also over here, a big stack of, I think there's 6 here total. 4 of these are the frozen broccoli, 2 of them are the mixed vegetables. I got 12 ears of corn. Now there's 1 pepper here. I don't think I ordered a pepper, but I got a pepper. So I'm sorry if I got someone's pepper. Again, my troubles and my complaints with the service are minimal. I think I have, besides my peanut butter thing, I have 1 other issue down there that we'll discuss. Everything else, so far as I can tell, turned out perfect. And even the lady who manages this service told me if I have any trouble just to call her directly and she'll work it out for me. And that's helpful, just to have a contact if there's any issues. So anyway, I got 2 bags of the green apples, 2 bags of red apples, a piddly little 10 pounds of bananas. I'll show you, I've got a nice, I had bought a 40-pound box about 2 weeks ago when I did a small fill-in haul that I didn't even film, and I probably have about 10 to 15 pounds that are pretty black now, and I'm going to use those for banana bread with the freezer cooking. I'm going to overlook all this bread here. We'll get to that in a minute. I also got 10 kiwis, 10 packs of cream cheese for quick and easy bagel breakfast, 2 things of butter. I got 10 things of applesauce. You know, 1 little container of applesauce, when I get it out, 1 container will be a small side dish with 1 meal. So for me to go through, and everybody eats it. So really, this is not near enough applesauce. It's just, again, a small side item. 2 cucumbers, 3 squash, 4 zucchini, and this was my only other silly little issue. I had ordered 2 5-pound bags of carrots, and they didn't have the cheap brand with the cheap carrots. So they substituted it with these little bit more expensive 1-pound bags. So instead of getting the 10 pounds of carrots I needed, I only have these little ridiculous, I only have 2 pounds of carrots. So that's just something where I'm like, well, that stinks, but when I tell you guys what I spent, if those, again, are my main issues, and I will tell you that too, and then we'll go through the bread. So total, everything on this table, plus my household items, today I not only got grocery items, oh, and I still see more things I didn't tell you about, okay. I got, let me show you, okay, so we got banana chips, and we got raisins, and again, I'm thinking, you know, hikes, days with friends, trips to the lake, playground time, all of that, just quick and easy snacks, ready to go. Everything, if you don't pass out. What I spent today was $1,140. Can you believe that? So it wasn't just food though. I also got all of our household items, which are toiletries and then just other things we need for the house. I'm going to film that in a separate haul. So all of my food items, by my quick math, come to about $850. And again, that is for, I'm thinking, up to 6 weeks for our base. And then I will be sending Travis back out with another 100 to 200. So 8, 9, 10. So that's about $1050 for 6 weeks for our growing family of now 10. And that's going to be for a ton of freezer meals. If you break that down to the week, it's like $175 a week for our family. It's pretty decent. And anyway, so that's the math on that. And then with the household items, which will be the next, I'm going to go film that here next. So that means it should be coming out within a day or two of when you see this video. I got just other things we needed. I probably spent another, $850. Yeah, I probably spent close to another $300 on household items, and that includes like our dog food and toilet paper and all that. And I usually purchase those separate to keep my receipts separate. So let me show you this bread. So with the bread, I ended up getting 15 bagels, and we just had to pile it up here. We have a variety of bagels here. I had ordered 10 onion bagels and 5 of another kind, and I think they had to substitute the 10 onion, but it was with, you know, bagels that we like we've got brown sugar syrup and cinnamon swirl and blueberry and some plain, and it's 15 packs total, so that's great. We got the hot dog buns to go with the hot dogs I got the kids. These sub rolls are for those pizza boats. Last time I made these, just all the kids were just gaga over them, so that's easy for me right now. And then we have a bazillion loaves of bread. Again, we will be doing a ton of freezer sandwiches. And then I have, I think, about 10 packs total of, so I gotta sit down here, 10 packs total of the wraps to do different breakfast burritos. So here's one more look at it, and that is it. So thank you guys for riding around with us today and for watching this haul. And I think the next time I film a big haul, I'll probably be wearing baby Benjamin, so that's exciting. And I don't know, it could always happen I get one more in before he's born, but I'm just not counting on it. Oh, did I tell you about my watermelons? I did tell you about the watermelons. I keep seeing things. 4 big cans of tomato sauce. See the big cans of tomato sauce there? That's for different recipes. So thank you for watching. Household haul, and then is coming up 2 more freezer cooking days and all the recipes and everything that goes along with that. So I'll see you next time, friends, with another brand new video. Bye-bye.